When your car breaks down or needs maintenance, finding a good car repair shop can be, well, a real hassle, right? But in Bartlett, Tennessee, there's a solution that's as simple as it is smart. A mobile mechanic service that brings top-notch repairs right to you. With a mobile mechanic, there's no need to leave your home, your office, or wherever your car happens to be. These pros bring everything to you. No more towing, no more waiting in a garage, just skilled auto repair when and where you need it. Mobile mechanics are fully equipped for almost anything. From roadside assistance and car diagnostic problem on site, they can fix your car, truck, or van, it all on site. Imagine getting quality service without moving an inch. And it's more than just convenience. When a mechanic works right in front of you, there's no mystery, no upselling. You see every step, get real answers, and can ask questions right on the spot. It's auto repair with transparency and trust. Think of the time you'll save. For Bartlett residents, a mobile mechanic is the perfect choice, especially with the flexibility of after hours and weekend appointments. This means you get quality repairs without rearranging your life. Need a repair? Call your Bartlett mobile mechanic at 901-881-7850. From routine maintenance to urgent repairs, we're here to make car care easy, reliable, and right where you are. Remember, car troubles are unpredictable, but your solution doesn't have to be. Save our number, 901-881-7850, and get ready to experience the future of car repair.